All right, so here we have a really simple DAO that right now the only thing it's doing is just retrieving all the questions, right? We do have a service that was retrieving all the questions, but was written in terms of a hard-coded array. So let's head over to that service. So the question service, do we have it open? Doesn't look like. So let's take a look at the service. So here it is, question service. Right now, it's written into in terms of this hard-coded array of questions, right? So here we have find all questions, which basically just returns this array of questions, right? So we're going to rewrite this in terms of the DAO we just wrote. So let's load the DAO. So this will be questions DAO. Let's require it. So we're going to go up one to DAOs and down to questions DAO. There we have it. And let's rewrite this find all questions in terms of the DAO now. Find all questions, right? Notice that we're exporting, right here, all these functions. These would have to be all rewritten, right, in terms of the DAO, right? So for now, I'm just going to comment this out, and they're not going to be available here, right? Actually, no, because probably the controller is probably referencing these functions. So let's head over to the controller. We know we can at least rewrite this, find all questions, right? So let's go back. Let's go to the controller that uses this. So this would be the questions controller, which is using right now the same service. We're just right now refactoring, and we just rewrote this find all questions, right? But notice that this implementation, right, assumes that this function is synchronous. Instead, now we have rewritten it in terms of a database access, which now it's asynchronous. So we have to rewrite this. So that's easy, right? So we're going to take this function, right? We're going to cut it out of here. We're going to put it above, and then this is going to return a promise. We're going to register for a callback using the then function, and here are all the questions that are coming back from the database. Now we can use this to pass all these questions as a response to the client, right? There we have it. Let's try it out. Let's run this. Let's run this again, and let's try hitting this URL, this API. Oops, what's happening? Looks like I have one too many parentheses. Let's restart again. Okay, so let's try hitting that URL. So this would be API what? API questions. So questions. There they are. So these are all the questions that we had inserted into the database. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 6 items in here, right? And indeed, they're the same questions that we had shown earlier, right? These six questions are now available as a RESTful API here in our browser.